Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove Gcash in App Store. So if you want to go ahead and remove your Gcash account onto your App Store, then you're onto the right guide. So for you to be able to do this, just head onto the settings of your iPhone and click onto your profile icon in there that has the Apple ID, iCloud, and media and purchases. So from there, you should be able to see the payment and shipping. Click onto that one and it should ask you or prompt you to do your Face ID. So just do that, and then right after, you should be able to see the payment methods in there, and you should be able to see Gcash if you have linked it already. Now to go ahead and remove it, just simply click onto that one, and then there is an option onto the bottom part of the screen that says remove payment method. So you'll just have to click onto that and click onto remove again to go ahead and completely remove that specific Gcash account onto your App Store. And that's just basically it onto how to remove Gcash in App Store. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.